Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer tokens using the Metamask wallet. You're going to want to make sure that you have the Metamask Chrome extension already set up, and so opening that here, we're going to go to the send button in the middle. Now want to paste in the public wallet address of the recipient. It should be a string of letters and numbers starting with 0x. This is their public wallet address. Then go to Asset and select the asset that you want to send. For the amount, you can either hit max, which would just automatically put in the total amount in your wallet, or you can specify a specific amount. An important thing to note is that you're going to need some Ether in your account, and that is to pay the transaction fee to the miners on the Ethereum network. And the higher you set that fee, the more those miners are going to prioritize your transaction and the faster it's going to go through. So the easiest way to set that is just by going with the default settings here of picking slow, average, or fast. But if you want a little bit more control over how fast your transaction goes through, especially if you want it really, really fast, then you want to go to advanced options. And here is where you can set the gas price in GWEI. So basically for a transaction, you are paying a certain number of units of gas, and then the gas price in GWEI is how much you're willing to pay per unit of gas. So a really helpful site to use for this is gasnow.org. And you can specify if you want certain transaction speeds here. And I'm going to set this transaction to rapid, and so I'm going to put in 49 GWEI, and you do not want to touch the gas limit. Leave that alone. I'll bump this up to 58. As you can tell, it moves around a lot. In some cases, you may have to change it even after you send it. So I'm going to go to next here. And then on this page, it will show you what you're going to send and then the estimated gas fee that you're going to pay. From there, you want to confirm the transaction. And now you can see the transaction is pending. If you want to get more info on the current state of your transaction, look for this blue arrow here. This gives you a little bit more information, but a good thing to look at is going to view on Etherscan, and that will show up here. And we can see, importantly, the status is set to success. If it was a little bit slower, then you would see pending here, but this is success, so that means that the tokens were successfully transferred from one wallet to another, and then paid the transaction fee, which had this dollar value. And also, this is the pricing that we set in GWEI. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.